All right, let's talk HVAC maintenance. Because no one ever thinks about it until we have to call Ohana Heating and Air out to unclog that line for you. So I'm Tony with All American Realty Investment Group. I'm here with Shane from Ohana Heating and Air, and we're going to go over how to flush your HVAC condensation line.
All right, so this is what you can do every month. And I know that everybody's heard bleach, Clorox poured in your drain line, but this is the old way because bleach is corrosive and Lord forbid you spill this on the carpet or the flooring and everything gets stained. We recommend white vinegar because white vinegar breaks down the bacteria growth that builds in these drain pans. It's not corrosive. If it goes outside into your flower bed, it's not going to kill the flowers and it's not going to stain the carpet or the floors. So white vinegar, warm water mixed into a container, and you're going to go to your thermostat and you're going to see cool, heat, maybe emergency heat if you have a heat pump, and then there's off. I want you to go to that thermostat and turn it off so we're not having any kind of call for heat or cool, and you're going to go to the drain line inside, find your drain safety switch. This one here just pulls right out. This one over here is one that it's the newer style where you unlatch it and it pulls right out too. Either way, you need to pull them out. This is the switch that shuts it off if the drain line gets filled with water. And pour your mixture of white vinegar and water, warm water, into it. And then it goes into your drain line, therefore clearing all that bacteria growth and making sure that your drain line is free and clear. Now, this is just something that you need to do every month to prevent bacteria growth and keeping your drain lines from clogging up. Because again, our number one service call is clogged up drain lines, leaking pipes, and we're trying to help you prevent that. And we know that you change your filters because All American Realty sends out your filters for you. So change your filters, pour white vinegar in your drain line, and we hope to see you every 6 months to make sure that everything else is good.
All right. Thanks, Shane. Appreciate it.
Yes, thank you. You will put drain safety switch back in, go to the thermostat, turn it back on, whatever temperature you desire.